Dumelang beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved this fake cornrow and lower space buns hairstyle. I started off by parting my hair into two separate sections, so the line went from the front to the back of my head, and each of the two sections was further divided into 7 smaller sections. The sections can be smaller or bigger, it just goes with your preference. So I will show you with this front part what I did to secure each section. So basically what I'm doing in this front section is what I did with all the other sections. I roughly separated the section into 2 pieces. I probably should have used a comb to create the line, but oh well. Then I did a 3-strand braid on the piece that is closest to the middle. I don't braid the hair all the way through, maybe just about halfway through or just a little over half. And then I used an elastic band to secure both the pieces together. Once the section was secured with the rubber band, I then separated it into 2. I used a bobby pin to hold down the piece of hair I wasn't working on so it doesn't get in the way. I then proceeded to create a 2-strand twist on the loose piece of hair. All my other sections are in bigger twists because I didn't want my hair getting in the way as I was creating the fake cornrow. I then went on to twist the piece of hair that I held down with the bobby pin. To create the cornrow, I took the 2 twists from the first section and put them under the second section. So I don't connect them to the second section, I rather connect them to the third section of the hair. So I put them under the second section, then I used a rubber band to secure that first section of hair to the third section of hair. I hope that's sort of making sense. And then I went on to unravel the big twist from the second section and put it into separate twists like I did with the first section. and then I'm going to go ahead and connect that second section to the fourth section of the hair. So remember, I connected the first section to the third section, so now I'm going to connect the second section to the fourth section. So basically, I connect each section to every other section, not the section directly after it. I basically do that throughout all my hair until all the sections have been connected. Once I got to the last sections, I tied them with a rubber band and loosely unraveled the twist. I then went on to put my hair in a small bun. Once my hair was in a bun, I connected my braiding hair. I used Marley braid in this case. I have a rubber band tied to the middle of the hair to make it easier to connect the braiding hair to my own hair. Once the braiding hair was attached to my hair, I put it into a loose twist. I then used some of the braiding hair to cover my own hair and used a bobby pin to keep it in place. Then I wrapped the braiding hair around itself to create the space bun and used more bobby pins to shape it and keep it in place. Lastly, I accessorized the style by adding small silver cuffs to the front of my hair. And that's the end of the tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below if the tutorial seems easy enough to follow through and if you would try this hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.